Come and get it. Come on. Hey, hey. Isaac, come on. Come here.
Baby. Mommy.
What, honey?
We are baby or baby?
Maybe.
Baby?
Sometimes.
Baby.
Yeah, but you have to eat in the kitchen, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Go eat in the kitchen.
Right?
Is it good?
Very good. See you, baby.
No, go eat in the kitchen, honey. Amaya, go eat in the kitchen, please. Go! In the kitchen.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, boy. You see? Bye.
You guys are crazy. That doesn't change my mind. Go eat in the kitchen, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
You, come on. Come here. No? If I turn the camera off, you'll do it? Oh, okay.